Alright. Yeah. Today is the day. But I have an important and a very special message to deliver. Very, very important and special message to deliver. Thank you again, people, for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. What am I gonna say now? Hit the like button, people, hit the subscribe button. MG Sports back again. We're on the yellow. Make sure it's on we're on the yellow. Turn out that stadium. Alright, so we all know say stadium will go wrong. We know say stadium will go wrong. But out of the 35,000 or 40,000 people who are going to the stadium, probably 15,000 out of it are genuine football supporters. And let's say there are 20 to 15 or 15 to 20 fans who follow the hype and yes, the Jamaica got World Cup and I come support. Probably. Because we know the Jamaica don't have so much football fans. Loyal Reggae Boyz fans at that. Now, listen to me and say, people. You see the people, the excess people who come, and 90 minutes of football I go play. And the football I go play is not just the ball them. You see fans them tonight, the 90 minutes of football I go play, the fans them are playing 90 as well. If a 5 minutes added on, 95 minutes. See anthem I play, we start off with entrance. We want to go there early. We're on the colours. Let me say it again. We're on the colours. We want to reach it early. Why we want to reach it early? So when Curacao come in our building, we can boo them. That's the first thing. We want to reach it early. When Curacao come, we can boo them. We want to feel the hostility from early. Boo them, blow on the whistle, or whatever the case may be. We want them to feel the hostility. No, again. So when the national anthem play, when the Reggae Boyz then come out, one year nice and make like the biggest artist you never see. Like say big artists come and I go perform, and that's a nice one here. More on pot cover for everybody, every man and them pitting if you have a pot cover. You see grandstand, we're not boring. We ain't that. We're not boring. You see grandstand not so boring, we ain't that. Boring grandstand, we ain't that. It's I don't know uptown people who come my game, me don't want soon. Uptown people who come sit down and eat snacks and me don't want soon. I mean see me dead serious. Me dead serious. The team are gonna suffer for 90 minutes and we want to suffer with them. When uptown people don't understand sufferation, me don't want soon. Unless when they decide to feel sufferation and endure sufferation. Unless the boys them are go fight for the cause, them are going to die for the cause, and we the 12 man have to go with the same mentality. We have to go there and go fight with them from the first whistle blow to the referee put whistle and mouth and blow the last 3 whistle them. I make the last 3 blow. we want the excitement in the stadium. Sometimes the team need a little bit of extra energy there. Just a little bit of extra energy there. And if we're not going to carry, go give them, just turn on the yard. If we're not going to give the team the extra energy there, turn on the yard. Me don't want nobody come and see them come sit down like a theater then come. Me don't want that. Me don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. A war. Everybody have to gear their mind, say a war. A straight war. Video brought to you by me for tune the punchline. Rare nephew white overproof rum. the spirit of football. And the official partners of the Reggae Boyz. People, let me tell them this, yeah? A war time. And I don't want people come to the stadium to come show or if you come sit down and look and watch football. And play ball. We are play ball. The 12th man, this is first Jamaica 12th man. I go play ball. When the referee blown whistle, we're supposed to tired. We're supposed to tired like a ball and tired. We're supposed to well tired. We're supposed to sweat. The amount of energy we put in it. Stop think about the negative thing. Or what negative might happen at full time. Stop think about that. Because if your mind start go there so, that means you start prepare for that. No. We prepare for the team win and we got a World Cup. But we have to play with part. Because ball game have to roll. Ball have to roll. Man have to go out there go kick ball. And we have to put with differences aside and say today are the Reggae Boyz there. It's tough. Really, really tough. But not impossible. So if you plan to come at the game and sit down like a movie's gonna come, stay home, brother. Just stay home. If you don't come cheer and make nice. Like me not talk about us. Hey, one look at one cheer. Or one time mama miss control. Control? No. Everything about them do, you're supposed to rock. A man get a shift, you're supposed to shift too. You're supposed to feel the game. You're supposed to experience the game. You're supposed to wind up on the pitch. We have to lift them over the line, people. We have to lift, we have to lift them and carry them over the line. If you feel like them can't do it, make we go there, go carry them over the line and come lift them and bring them over the line. Make we do it. Make we help them. They need help. We need to carry them over the line, people. So me I tell people, come out now on the numbers, come out now on the colours. And make we carry the team over the line. No pretty boy business. No pretty boy, no pretty girl business now go on the stadium. And entertainment we are going for. A war we are going for, a ball we are going to play. 95 minutes of football we are going to play. And entertainment. And an artist we are going to go watch. We don't business about artists. We don't business about after party. We don't business about pre-game party. 90 minutes. A war time straight. And that means that people come out and come war, come play ball, come roll ball, come knock leather. And that means say come knock leather. The only way this message people can get the message, we have to share the video. So everybody get the message. And we need the message to spread across Jamaica. So we share the video. Big up all the people who come out for come war this evening. Big up all the man them and the woman them who come out for come play ball this evening. Big up on yourself in advance. Now soon as I see them, we'll shot some interview. Once you see me ready for interview. Come tell me anything about the game. Big up on yourself, people. Outside, ball game later. That me say.